Okay, but this is a short video about how to solve a very annoying problem of Hewlett Packard laptops. I had the problem that my laptop just freeze after a while without using it. It goes to hibernate or sleep, and what happens is that the screen just goes black, and you have to manually restart it by long pressing the power button. So we found a two-step solution, and let's go very quick to this. The solution starts here. You need to go to control panel. If you don't know where the control panel is, you just type control panel on the search box, and here's the step one. The first thing you need to do, the step number one, is click on the device manager. When you click on the device manager, you will see a long list of a long list of things. So you need to click on system devices. When you click on system devices, another long list of a lot of things will appear, and you need to click one that says Intel Management Engine Interface. When you click on that, you will see that it will open a new window. In that window, you need to go to the tab that says Power Management. In Power Management, in a new window, you will see in the tab of Power Management, you will see that there is a phrase that says, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. If this is the first time that you are making this, you will see that that box has an arrow, is clicked. So what you need to do is to click, and that box must be empty, okay? That box must be empty without the arrow. And that's it. That you just press OK, and that's the step one. Okay, on step two, what you need to do is again go to control panel, and in this case you need to click on power options. It will open in this window, and you need to go to choose when to turn off the display. Okay, and when you go there, you will see that there are some choices of what to do when your computer is plugged in or using just battery. So you need to click where it says change advanced power settings. When you click there, a new window and a short list will appear, and the first thing that you will see is hard disk. Okay, you click on hard disk and it displays turn off hard disk after, and there you will see two options, which are on battery and plug in. And again, if this is the first time you are doing this, you will see that it has minutes, maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, I don't know, in each one of them on battery and plug in. So what you need to do in the solution of the step two is change the minute to 0, okay? And when you change it to 0, both of them, it will change to never, okay? And just click apply. Your hard disk will never turn off, and that's the solution. That's step two. It worked for me. I have months using my laptop with these two steps, with these two settings, and it solved everything. Okay, so if this is helpful for you, I will appreciate you. Please subscribe to the channel. Take a look at our description, and well, again, hope this helps to you. Thank you.